Hi guys, how we doing? Welcome back to another video. So as you know, I work for a company called Matrix and I've just released or finished off my first set of products there. So I've been there just over a year and they're now releasing this new range called Industrial Maintenance. Pretty sick. I'm very happy with it. So you've essentially got 3 products, and the purpose of the range is to teach 16 to 21-year-olds that are going into factories for the first time how PLC systems work. So this first one, a PLC fundamentals trainer, I can't wait to actually get one on my desk at home and like actually use it for programming. Like, it's going to be absolutely sick. But yeah, basically the intent here is it walks them through a whole bunch of real industrial sensors and actuators. And then this one is a maintenance of closed loop systems, where you have a tiny little tank with a pump, a hand valve, a flow sensor, a proportional valve, and then you're literally just running a closed loop system there. So I'm doing PID on this one, on the pump and on the valve. So both products using the S7-1214 there, along with the WinCC Unified HMI, and then the last one is the logo PLC logo one. So this one here, Matrix have their own sort of electronics training thing that they use to teach different concepts. It's a I don't even know, it's a modular thing where you build up circuits. It's called Loctronics, very popular. It's actually very good. And so we've created this module, me and another mechanical guy, where you stick the logo on top of it, and that bolts into the electronic system. So that is the 3 products. Yeah, it's pretty cool, really, and I can't wait to actually use them for some other stuff. So that video there was all rendered CAD. So I'll show you some videos now of just like me actually prototyping this over the past year. It's a shame I can't really share stuff whilst I'm actually prototyping, which is a shame, really. I wish I could share more, but yeah, I mean, I can just bank the footage and then obviously show you now as I am now. So cool. Just thought I'd give you a quick update as to what I've been up to for the past year at work. It's been pretty cool. I'm enjoying it. Each one of these kits, they come with a curriculum and everything. It's very cool. Very, very cool. Anyways, cool. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.